Assalomu alaykum. Men ismim Saida Zokirova. Men O'zbekistondan kelganman. Men 5 yil oldin ham chap oyog'imda og'riq bo'lgan. Doktorlarga borganman, ko'rsatganman. Keyin menga doktor Amitni taklif qilishgan.
Has first come to me 6 years back when I operated on her left knee, and it was an osteoarthritis knee, and a total knee replacement surgery was done back then 6 years back.
5 yil o'tdi mana. O'n oyog'im ham shunaqa og'ridi. Rengi simka qilsam.
And again 7 days back she has been operated for the right knee osteoarthritis, and right sided total knee replacement was done. So the very important message in this 6 years span is that the patient was so happy with the result. Patient was so happy with the post-operative care and services that we have provided physically as well as virtually. Whenever she was in need of help, me and my team has provided her full support on video consultation and time to time our guidance how to proceed with the surgery and post-op rehabilitation.
Singlim Zokirova Saida bemalol yurib o'ziga o'zi xizmat qila oldi. Xursandmiz juda ham doktor Amitdan kasalxona Max Hospital Patparganjga ham katta rahmat aytamiz. Bu servis juda ham yaxshi yo'lga qo'yilgan.